I am also here to support.
I create all handmade crafts.
Okay. मतलब पैसे वसूल हैं इसको लेके तो यार क्यों.
So the pieces that I have you'll not find anywhere else. I can customize according to their body and give them the best look.
My entire collection is all from Jammu and Kashmir.
I think mother-daughter duo.
Unique things. I have wine glasses, which is unusual in marble.
वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल गाइस. होप कर रहे हैं आप लोग सब एकदम मस्त होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे जी, बिल्कुल हमारी तरह. तो गाइस ऐसे ही रहिएगा. और आज का दिन हमने शुरुआत कर दिया है. चलिए फिर DLF का एक और पार्ट देखते हैं. तो गाइज आज मैं आपको लेकर जा रही हूँ एक फैशन और लाइफस्टाइल एग्जीबिशन में, जहाँ पे शोकेस होने वाला है लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स इन क्लोथिंग, एक्सेसरीज, होम डेकोर, वेलनेस एंड यस काफी सारे डिजाइनर्स, ब्रांड्स और स्टाइल एंथुसियास्ट all under one roof. This exhibition is sponsored by the Glamour Company, which is an event management company based in Gurgaon. They specialize in crafting unique and memorable experiences that go beyond expectations. From themed events and corporate gatherings to custom exhibitions, their passion for innovation and precision ensures that every detail is flawlessly executed. With a client-first approach, they bring your vision to life, making each event seamless, stress-free and unforgettable. आज हम पहुंच चुके हैं कहीं पर और ये एकदम ही नई जगह है स्पेशली मेरे लिए. मतलब ये है जी DLF Phase 5 एंड वी आर एट द क्लब वीटा. दिस इज़ इन सेक्टर 54 गुड़गांव और हम आए हैं आज एक स्पेशल ओकेजन पे. जैसे कि आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं बाज़ार त्योहार लग रखा है गाइस. So festivities are very near and so guys what's the wait for? Now let's entertain you all and let's celebrate this exhibition. So guys let's start with the stalls right now and stalls पे कौन कौन है, किसका स्टॉल है, किस बारे में है, इस बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन तो बनता है ना. डॉक्टर शालिनी आइए प्लीज़ और थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें कि आपके स्टॉल में क्या है, किस बारे में है.
These are scarves, silk scarves. Okay. Rupees 500 only. These are Oriflame की perfumes जो आज स्पेशल 20% ऑफ पे हैं. Yes. And we have testers as well.
Okay.
These are wax melts. आप अपने घर में रिलैक्स कर सकते हो with these aromas in this.
Okay.
Aromatherapy जो है आप अपना इसमें टी लाइट लगाइए. और
So guys these are all scrunchies you can wear and ये सब handmade है, don't forget. So hi guys, we are at another stall. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, very good. What's your name?
Karishma.
Karishma, hi. So can you just tell us something about your stall and what is it all about?
So my stall is Crafts by Karishma. So
Okay.
I create all handmade crafts, which involves lipan art, mosaic art, resin art,
Okay.
and also some festive decor like toran and rangoli plates.
All right.
So all your festive needs meet here.
Okay.
Everything is handmade. on our
Wow.
stall.
Wow, great. That's so nice and so lovely. Actually इतनी मेहनत देख के ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ यार. Seriously. अच्छा, another thing that I wanted to ask is that is there what is that one thing at your stall, that speciality that you think that people would like to know and why they should come to you?
The speciality is the lipan art. that I
Okay.
do.
And
So
what
this
is it?
takes- So this is a mud art.
Okay.
This is a traditional art from Gujarat.
Okay.
And this is done on the wooden MDF board.
Okay.
And we have to use clay, and then when it dries up, we make designs, use clay, and then we color it.
Okay,
So
wow.
this is what I would like to focus on. So all my products like these boxes are also made up of lipan art only.
Okay, all
So
right.
we have a lot of lipan products
So are you
here.
yourself are doing
Yes,
this?
yes.
Okay, all right. So this is one thing that you are saying at your stall that makes you more special.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
All right. Wow. Nice. Lovely to see all the stuff and your hard work.
Thank
And
you.
all the very best for today. Thank you. So guys, now let's go to the apparel stall यार. मतलब apparels नहीं cover किए तो क्या किया ना फिर आगे. Hi ma'am. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Abha.
आभा. ओके तो आभा जी एक मिनट का कुछ पूछने आई हूँ मैं आपसे. आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज़ योर ब्रांड ऑल अबाउट.
My brand is sarees.
Right.
Minari.
Okay. What all sarees do you have?
Yeah, from Bengal, from Andhra, from Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
from Gujarat.
Okay. And
From Rajasthan.
what's the range that you're covering here?
Starting 1500 starting
Starting 1500 to max.
to maximum 10,000.
Okay, भाई साहब 10,000 की साड़ी 16, oh wow.
16,
All right. Another thing that I wanted to ask here is that what is that one thing at your stall that you think that people would like to know and why they should come to your stall only for sarees?
Especially mal cotton sarees.
Okay, and can you show me a...
Mal cotton sarees.
All right, okay. So this is what the speciality is. And what is so special about it? Like, I mean,
It's,
we don't get it easily?
This is ideal for summer.
Okay, for summers के लिए.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And working women very like it.
ओके राइट. सो गाइज दिस इज़ अ स्पेशलिटी. चेक कर सकते हैं, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं और आप इन्हें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अगर आप दिल्ली एनसीआर में हैं बेस्ड तो. थैंक यू. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Nandaka.
Nandika. My lovely name. So, Jyoti.
Cater to customized cakes, we do baked goods, breads, all sorts of varieties.
Alright.
And today we have an assortment of sweet treats.
Speciality that I was talking about, that what is that one speciality that you have on your stall is the chocolate truffle, sorry. So this is a speciality, guys.
Yeah.
So do connect with them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And all the best for today. So hi guys, we are at another stall. This is a jewelry brand and let's talk to the owner of the brand. Hi. What's your name?
Total.
So Total, first of all, we would like to know what is your brand all about and
Okay, so my brand's name is Silverina,
Okay.
and my brand deals with Tanksy 2.5 pure silver jewelry products. I work not only with artisans from Jaipur, I work with artisans from the south also.
very pretty.
Thank you.
So Toran, it was lovely talking to you. The only last thing that I would like to know out here is that, see, we all are meeting here because of the Glamour company, right? So what is your experience with them? And is it the first experience with them that you have, or like you are quite old, acquaintance with them?
Yeah, I have acquainted to Shalini. She's like a friend. She's a friend, not like a friend, more than a friend, I would say. And I've come participated for the first time, but I really appreciate the efforts they have done for for everybody, be it crowd pulling, choosing location, timing, everything. See, because for an event to be successful, all of these things are important: the timing, the location, and the onus of crowd pulling. But they have done their bit. They have distributed pamphlets. They have done quite a lot of and that's something I really appreciate.
It's like vice versa, even for them and for us as well. So it was lovely talking to you, Toral, and we would like to wish you all the very best for today. Your stuff is really amazing. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thanks so much, and I appreciate the efforts you take in talking to all of us.
Thanks a lot. So guys, we have the lucky draw here.
Stall number 19. Who's stall number 19?
Wow. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, very good. What's your name?
Harshita.
So, Harshita, we are at your stall here, and we would like to know first of all what is what is your stall all about, or what is your brand all about?
My brand is all about ethnic wear. We're into heavy Indian. I make heavy Indian collection.
Okay, all right. And I would like to ask that what is that one speciality of your actually brand or stall that you would like other people to know about it, and why should all actually present here, they should come to your stall? Why?
Because I think I can customize according to their body and give them the best look.
Kind of a-
basically for trousseau and for groom's mother.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, trousseau collection.
All right, fine. Thank you so much and for talking to us, and all the best for today.
Thank you.
Harshita, just one last question I wanted to ask is that because we all know that this is being organized by the Glamour company, right? So how's your experience with the Glamour company?
My experience with Glamour company has been great. This is my third exhibition with them, and they're very cordial, they're very nice, very sweet. 4 of them are great.
Okay, all right. So that's great to hear because
Cordial, they're very adjusting. They listen to my demands. They fit into my things. They're very
Alright.
nice.
All right, fine. That's great. So thank you, Glamour Company, because of them we are actually meeting. So yeah, thanks to them again.
And I had a great sale.
Okay. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
All right. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
Very well. Thank you so much. What's your name?
I'm Richa. And brand is called Bellamore.
Okay.
We are into handcrafted marble gift items. So yeah,
Okay. And since how long have you been doing this?
we are just 6 months old into this business.
कोई बात नहीं, सब 2-3 महीने के भी हैं. It's okay.
Everything is handcrafted. And we have some unique products like jewelry boxes, and we have some coasters. Everything we sell comes in a curated gift box like this.
Okay.
So yeah, it's more of a gifting experience that we are trying to procure.
Alright, so one last thing that I want to ask is that what is that one special thing in your brand that you think that people would like to know, and why should people out here they should come to you for the marble stuff?
One, I don't think anybody is there into marble. Marble is not a very common thing people pick up because it's obviously a hard product. Marble is a unique gift because it brings good luck. And it is beautiful, it is handmade, it is made with love. Our brand's name is Bellamore, which is beautiful love. So we are trying to tell people to pick up beautiful love.
Any one thing that you would suggest me? This is the best selling product that you should take.
Well, my hot product are my coasters. And then I have some beautiful jewelry boxes. Single stone, there are no joints.
Okay, alright.
So yeah, so the unique things. I have wine glasses, which is unusual in marble.
Yeah, right.
So this is a set of wine glasses.
Wow. How is your experience with the Glamour Company who is organizing this event? And first of all, have you been connected with them before this also?
So Glamour is my first experience, and I'm honestly very happy. And I especially like their transparency of working. The way they keep you all in the loop. They've created a group where people know what's happening. They keep posting instructions. They've created reels for us. They've created videos for us to help us advertise about ourselves. So yeah, I'm happy with them.
All right, great to know that. Thanks, Richa, for introducing us to this amazing stuff.
Thank you.
And all the best to you for the day. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
Rashi.
Okay, Rashi, I would like to know first of all what is your brand all about and what are you selling out here?
या मेरे ब्रांड का नेम है एपिक सिल्वर ज्वेलरी.
Okay.
ओके एंड आई एम आर्टिस्ट ऑल्सो. तो मेरा आर्ट इंस्टिक बाय राशि के नाम से है. एंड अभी मैं जो यहाँ पर सेल कर रही हूँ वो सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड पेंटिंग्स दोनों कर रही हूँ.
Okay, wow. So paintings are your own handmade paintings?
Yes, all made by me.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, and all handmade.
Okay, and this is all silver jewelry out here?
Yeah, pure silver 9 to 5.
All right. What is that one special thing at your stall that you think that other people should know, and why should they come to your stall for only the silver jewelry?
या एक्चुअली जो मेरी जो कलेक्शन है एंड जो डिज़ाइनिंग है वो आई थिंक मतलब आई एम श्योर कि कस्टमर्स ने कभी देखा ही नहीं होगा कि सिल्वर ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Oh, really?
रियली. आप ये देखिए, ये एंकलेट है.
Okay.
या
Silver plus gold also I can see, and
नो
copper
मैम,
also.
नहीं, ये प्योर सिल्वर है.
अच्छा. all
या
right.
और इसके ऊपर ये पॉलिश हुई हुई है.
Oh, all right. Okay.
Yes.
Wow. So guys, see. We all are meeting here because of the Glamour Company, right? So, how is your experience with them, and is it your first experience, or have you been, have you met them before as well?
या मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम किया है ग्लैमर कंपनी के साथ. एंड शालिनी, गीतांजलि एंड गोपिका एंड ऑल आर वेरी नाइस. मतलब सब इतना ज़्यादा सब कर रहे हैं कि मैंने बहुत सारी एग्जीबिशंस लगाई हैं गुड़गांव में. बट कोई भी बार बार आकर ये नहीं पूछता सब ठीक है, आपका सेल कैसा हो रहा है. एंड इन्होंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट बहुत की है.
हाँ, ये मुझे किसी और से भी सुनने
या
को मिल
मैंने
रहा है।
अभी तक किसी भी मतलब एग्जीबिशन में नहीं देखा कि कोई एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर रहा है. मैंने मेरे ही ब्रांड को इतना ज़्यादा फोकस किया है इंस्टा पे कि आई वाज शॉक्ड कि वाओ, रियली.
अगर ऐसा किसी से सुनने को, ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ,
Yes,
ये यहाँ
really.
के स्टॉल
और
बोल
मैं
रहे
अभी
हैं।
नहीं, मैंने इनके साथ आगे जो इनके फ्यूचर में जो इनके एक दो और हैं इनके एग्जीबिशन मैंने ऑलरेडी बुक कर दिया है इनके साथ।
वाई नॉट, कौन नहीं करेगा ना, अगर ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मिले यार तो आपका मन बार बार करता है कि उसी के साथ काम करो आप।
यहाँ पर सब बहुत ज़्यादा कोऑपरेटिव है। इनका सबसे प्लस पॉइंट मैंने किसी भी एग्जीबिशन में नहीं देखा कि ये हर 2 आवर्स के बाद एक लकी ड्रॉ भी निकाल रहे हैं।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, ये तो मैंने भी फर्स्ट टाइम
के
देखा है,
लिए।
क्योंकि एग्जीबिशंस में नहीं होता ये
Yes.
बिल्कुल
और,
भी।
इन्होंने स्टार्टिंग में जिनका 5000 से ऊपर की वो थी परचेजिंग थी या सेल थी, तो वो वेंडर्स को भी गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं। मुझे भी उन्होंने गिफ्ट दिया यार।
वाओ वाओ, दिस इज, हाँ एक्चुअली मैंने भी नहीं सुना ये कभी पहले।
मैंने कभी भी किसी भी एग्जीबिशन में ये नहीं किया।
किया।
नहीं, ऑल ओवर एक्सपीरियंस मेरा बहुत अच्छा है।
Lovely talking to you, and we would love to hear more about the exhibition and your stall again in future as well.
Sure.
All the very best to you for the day.
Thank you.
Hello, hi ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Ravleen.
And what's your name, ma'am?
I'm Meena.
All right. So first of all, ma'am, you're looking too lovely, and your hair are like awesome. You are looking too pretty in white as well. What's the name of your stall?
It's Ina and Ravleen. Ina and Ravleen.
Okay, fine. Wow, lovely. All right. So I would like to know first of all that what is that one speciality of your brand that you feel that people are why people should come to you for any product?
Because the first thing I always say, I have anything and everything for all age groups,
Okay.
for all physiques. I mean,
Okay.
so anybody and anyone can come. It's
Alright.
not you just have to have a good figure,
Exactly.
So we have for all age groups
Okay.
and for all kind of physiques.
Sure. I would like to know that how is your experience as stall exhibitors here?
I think so far we've got a good clientele and people appreciating and got a good footfall, classy
Okay.
people coming over, and
Alright.
then I think we've had a good experience. The first time we've exhibiting.
Okay,
with
so
them.
it is with the
them.
first time.
Yeah.
All right, fine. So all are like saying that they're amazing and they're very cooperative
I
in
was about to say
terms.
they're very helpful because the first time we entered, she said, "Ma'am, you need anything? You want
Okay.
any help? Or are you alone?" So the way they spoke up was
Yeah, right.
quite-
That's exactly what everybody wants,
quite
wherever you
comforting.
go.
Yeah.
Fine. So that was nice talking to you, and all the best, very best to you guys for the stall today, and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for talking to me. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Gagan. I'm the founder for Kashmirian by Gagan.
Okay. All right. Wow. So.
And as you can see, my entire collection is all from Jammu and Kashmir because I belong to Jammu.
Oh wow, you're looking like actually. So just another thing that I wanted to ask is that what is that one special thing that you have at your stall today?
See, one very special thing that I have is I'm the only one in Kashmiri apparels that has introduced a cravat set.
Okay. And
So
what
that is
it
like cravat is like for the gent and matching scarf for the lady with handmade chinar. So
Okay,
nobody in
alright.
Kashmiri collection has introduced this so far because I've
Okay.
done it on semi pashmina, like high quality semi pashmina with handmade
alright.
chinar. So everything will have chinar, but this is the main highlight of Kashmiriyat by Gagan specifically.
Okay. Wow. How is it so far that your experience has been with them?
This is my first experience, and I think so far so good. Yes.
All right. Fine. So are
Waiting
you?
for the rest of the day to see how it goes? But as of now, yes.
No,
it's
evening.
been good.
I am sure evening will be
Yes, normally
better
it's the
footfall
is in the evening.
because it's Saturday.
But I'm very happy.
Yeah, all right. Nah, that's really nice to hear about it. Have a great day ahead.
you so
All
much.
the
You
best
too.
about
Thank
other
you.
things.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about the experience of this exhibition. And how's your experience with them? And is it the first time that you're experiencing their hospitality, or like you've been with them before also?
Yeah, hi. So, yes, it's overall my first experience with Glamour Company, and it's my first exhibition. And I'll say the experience has been quite good.
Okay.
Organizer's point of view, I was in touch with Gopika. Gopika was quite cooperative for any doubts that I had. Whenever I texted her, she was on point. She never delayed the text and replied. So everything was quite perfect. The organizing and everything is just on point. I really had a good experience here.
All right. Thank you so much for sharing your experience, because that's exactly what the organizers would always want to hear. I've been hearing the same thing from almost all the stall owners. So that's a really good feedback for them. So thank you so much, Glamour Company, once again. Thank you. And guys, हमने करी है कुछ शॉपिंग.
कोई आइडियाज नहीं आते.
Okay, so guys, the main attraction of the event जो कि है एग्जीबिशन के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, एंड उनसे मिलाती हूँ आपको, बिकॉज उनसे नहीं मिले तो भाई एग्जीबिशन में दोबारा कैसे आओगे, है ना। तो गाइस यहाँ है हमारी गोपिका जी, हेलो गोपिका जी, हेलो शालिनी जी, एंड यस सो सुदीप जी, और ये है ओके फाइन। सो दीज आर इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स, इनसे मिलिए, इनको मत भूलिए। एंड दो प्रिटी लेडीज़ इतनी ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रही हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड दिस इज वॉज अ लवली एग्जीबिशन आई मस्ट से, बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज़ गिवन अ लवली फीडबैक जो आपको मेरे ब्लॉग में देखना पड़ेगा। वी होप टू मीट यू वंस अगेन सून, एंड आई विल बी वेरी ग्लैड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी अदर इवेंट दैट इज
Mascara or lipstick?
You don't need that. You don't need that.
You see, that's why I missed out on that one, huh?
ऑलराइट, ये देख लो भाई, एंड तू देख लो अब यहाँ पे ना किसको लगाना है मस्कारा और लिपस्टिक, ये सोचो आप। एनीवेज, सो थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन, एंड फॉर द लवली इवेंट। थैंक यू शालिनी जी, एंड यहाँ से आया था उसी मुझे, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इन्वाइटिंग, एंड लवली मीटिंग यू गोपिका जी, थैंक यू सो मच। So guys, it's time to leave the exhibition, and I've had a lovely time, and I hope कि आप लोगों को भी exhibition बहुत अच्छी लगी हो। Thank you so much for watching this vlog. मिलेंगे आपसे next vlog में, तब तक के लिए take care and bye.